What is place value? To understand this, let's take example of candies. If you go to a shop to buy 10 candies, how do we actually know that they are 10 candies? And how does the shopkeeper know that he has to give us the 10 candies? Most likely, we are going to count. But what if we increase the number to 100 candies? How do we know? And what if we increase the number to 1,000 candies? It gets harder and harder to count when the number is increased. That's why to recognize numbers, every digit in math have specific values in a base 10 system. In a base 10 system, we have numbers from 0 to 9. Total there are 10 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Even though numbers get bigger and bigger, these digits repeat themselves. But how do we know the value of these digits in every number? For example, value of 1 in 100 and value of 1 in 10. It is important to understand the place value of these numbers. So, to distribute place values, we can organize the digits into ones or units, tens, hundreds, and so on. In this video, we are only going to focus on ones and tens. For example, let's take 16. 16 candies. In the number 16, 6 is on ones place and 1 is on tens place. We always start from right hand side. So, we can group 6 candies into ones and make a group of 10 candies. Let's say 35. 5 in 35 is at ones place and 3 in 35 is at tens place. To group them, we can say that 5 candies we are buying individually while we are buying 3 bags of 10 candies. Or a more clear representation of the candies into squares. Here you can see that we have 3 full long squares of tens and 5 individual squares. Or we can also represent it in a table. Let's go to our candies example again. So now we are buying 95 candies. How can we group them? Let's see. It would be easier for the shopkeeper and for us if we were to buy 9 bags of 10 candies, each containing 10 candies, and 5 individual candies so that we can have total of 95 candies. 9 bags of 10 candies and 5 separate candies. Here is a more clear representation. Here we have 9 sets of 10 squares and 5 sets of 1 squares. You can use this table method to understand your ones and tens always. Let's take another example. 23. 3 in 23 is at ones place, so we have 3 squares of ones, and 2 in 23 is at tens place, so we have 2 long squares each containing 10 squares in the tens place. Can you find out what number is this? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 ones. And let's see, tens. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 stripes of tens. So the number is 36, where 6 is at ones place and 3 is at tens place. So let's recap. Place value. Place value is value of each digit in a number. For example, 5 in 50 represents 5 tens and 5 in 25 represents 5 ones. The value of 5 in each number is different. That's why it is important to understand place value. Did you get it? If not, watch the video again. Thank you for watching.